Good morning, everyone. I'm Kristen Myers, editor-in-chief of ETF.com, here with your market minute for Tuesday, April 29th. So I said this already, but we have earnings in focus again. Earnings season is fully underway. And the reason this earnings season is so important is because investors are going to be listening to some of the biggest companies inside the United States to hear how they anticipate the future to go for their company in terms of revenue. So here's what we have so far today on Tuesday. We have a couple of automakers. So General Motors did report, and it actually pulled its earnings guidance. And it said that essentially tariffs had really made the outlook a little bit cloudy, and they weren't too sure how tariffs were going to impact the company going forward. We also had JetBlue. Now, JetBlue also withdrew its forecast. These are not good signs, and they said that there would be a softer demand that would likely continue as consumers essentially rein in spending and decide to travel less. And then there was UPS, who said it would actually cut 20,000 jobs and slash costs, all because of economic uncertainty. Now, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has said that all of the uncertainty was strategic uncertainty that they were really rooting for as a part of these tariffs and something that they expected to come as a part of these tariffs. Now, here's where we stand on the tariff front. Amazon, which is still yet to report. It's one of the big tech companies that we are anticipating will be reporting in the coming days. It said that it would start to actually announce the full scope of pricing on its site, so that customers could actually see exactly how tariffs are going to impact the price of a good. This is a move that Temu and SHEIN have already done. And for SHEIN customers, they've seen prices jump over 350% in some cases because of the tariffs that have been levied against China. So let's take a look at some ETFs today, because we do have markets in a little bit of a mixed bag. So the iShares US Manufacturing ETF MADE is slightly in the green, but hovering right now at the flat line. XLY, that's the Consumer Discretionary Select Sector Spider Fund, it is in the red right now, down 1/3 of a percentage point. Then we do have IBIT, that's the iShares Bitcoin Trust. We have gold sinking right now, so investors are looking to cryptocurrency. It's hovering around the flat line, but it is in the green. And last up, we have FTXR, that's the First Trust NASDAQ Transportation ETF. It is one of the biggest holders of companies like GM, General Motors. It is in the red, down 3/4 of a percentage point right now. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to ETF.com as we continue to keep you updated on the markets, the US-China trade war, earnings, the economy, and of course, your investor portfolio.